just over. This one has tackled the problem of these last 2 weeks, of last week, because the heaviness lies in that in between the neck and the shoulder. That's what you just pulled now. This is enjoyment.
It's adjustment.
Stretch your body and adjust everything.
So enjoyment is not food and travel. Enjoyment is adjustment.
Adjustment is health.
No, we meet talk about
Health.
You received your first adjustments when sometime last week.
Last weekend.
So this is the follow-up visit, yeah?
Yep.
So the next, I called you the next day. You said you were feeling some soreness and so on.
I felt
So
like I was
update
run
us.
over.
Huh?
I felt like I was battered by 3 people. But
How long did it last? A day or
just
two?
a day, then the next day was just a bit of, some points were just aching and that was it. It wasn't crazy again.
Okay, how are you feeling now?
Better. I don't feel any pains. It's not outrageous anymore. In fact, I feel like I owe myself good posture now. I owe it to myself. Yeah.
The pain you were feeling around this area is reduced?
It has just a bit of heaviness there, but nothing I can't bear yet.
So after the first adjustment, we obviously seen improvements. And once we're more consistent and you continue to implement the health tips,
Yeah.
we'll make some good grounds. Okay? You ready?
Yes.
Come please. So what are you holding on to?
Jesus. The hem of his garments. Ooh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
And back, relax.
Let's all out. Okay. I'm ready for this.
Come to this.
Yeah, my favorite.
This is your favorite?
Yes.
If you knew, only if you knew how many people this table scares.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, relax. I'm coming in right here.
Oh! Oh! Woo! I can't help but laugh. I swear I can't. Ooh! Okay. Let's go again.
Down.
Oh, God. Is that part supposed to even crack?
I'm not sure. No, yes. Okay, one more, please. No, we'll do this on the other table. Come,
Okay.
please. Bring me over. Bring me over. More. Your face down. Bring your head down. One more. Bring your hand to your side.
I can't believe that just happened. Hey, just over.
going to rest.
Why am I going to restroom? Can I stand up? Can I not stand up actually? I don't need to stand up.
Okay. Where did you feel this one? Was it upper, mid?
You know what? This one has tackled the problem of these last 2 weeks, of last week, because the heaviness now is in between the neck and the shoulder. That's what you just pulled now, so that's why I want to like that.
Doesn't feel as heavy.
Doesn't feel heavy anymore.
When you're lying down, I think I've finished it.
I want to sleep. I don't want to go to the restroom. I don't want to stand up. Why is there a transition point? Can I appear
We'll
here?
carry you like this.
Aha! Add that service.
We'll think about it.
Carrying service.
But it will be double.
Oh, I lie, will pick.
Now you're getting up.
I lie. Enjoyment, eh?
It is well.
Enjoyment is not food and travel, though.
It's what?
This is enjoyment.
It's adjustment.
Stretch your body and adjust
So
everything.
enjoyment is not food and travel. Enjoyment is adjustment.
Adjustment is health.
No, we need to talk about
Health.
enjoyment is health. I like it. Come please.
Thank you, doctor. I feel like a star.
You feel like a
A star.
Amen.